two very popular books of Bookstagram, that is Verity by Colleen Hoover and Housemaid by Freda McFadden, are being adapted into movies finally. Yes, we all love to see our favorite reads on big screen. Hi everyone, I'm Shanika, psychology student. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, do not forget to subscribe. I promise I will make you love thrillers. Well, today's agenda is to tell you my favorite thrillers I want to see as movies on big screen. Number one, we have Rock Paper Scissors by Alice Penny. This is my favorite authors in thriller genre. The plot is jaw dropping in this. You will love it. Second, it is set in winter season. The couple goes on their anniversary to celebrate somewhere, but they get stuck in a hotel, you can say a hotel or a building, and things start happening there. It's very spooky. I bet it's really spooky. Second book is The Fury by Alex. He is the same author of The Silent Patient. I know it is not very popular book. I know it has mixed reviews. Many people loved it, many people didn't like it. But if you trust me, it is a beginner friendly book. It is set in an Agatha Christie style, one murder, multiple suspects, trapped in an island, and who is the killer? So, well, I just want to see it on screen. How would it look? And who will be the characters of it? Okay, before we proceed further, do me a favor. Comment down any actor or actress name that you think can play a role of a villain hero in a thriller, thriller atmosphere. I just want to know what are those popular or actors you want to see on television, especially for these thriller books. Okay, third we have Wrong Place, Wrong Time. Underrated book. Not everyone has read it. You should read it. I loved it. It has a time loop concept. The main protagonist in this book wakes a night before the murder has been committed, and she keeps on going backward till the day zero to know why and when and what happened actually on the murder night. I want to see, like, I can't explain the povs, so I just want to see it on a television with, like, it can make me easier to recommend people. But you should read this book. Okay, the fourth we have We Used to Live Here. It is a mixture of horror fiction and thriller mystery. I actually didn't like the book much, but I think I would love it if this book has been adapted into movie, because the scenes give you jump scares. They are really creepy, spooky, and all horror types. So I just want to see it on television. How would it look actually? Okay, the last we have A Murder Mystery by Indian author. It is a surprise for you because you didn't expect me to come up with an Indian literature, especially in thrillers, but here I am. A Murder in Dehradun by Siddharth. It has similar vibes of Agatha Christie book, also like The Fury, same, but different. The murder has been committed in a house of 13 members. One murder, 13 suspects, and everything is like trapped in an hill because they live in Dehradun, hilly region. Police cannot reach there. It's very good. It's very good. I just want to see who all Indian actors or actress would play roles if this book is been adapted into a movie. I just want to see this so desperately. And just like that, we have reached the end of the video. These are the 5 books that I want to see in theaters, adapted as a movie or a series, any way possible. Comment down any of your books you want to see in theaters.